Alright, here we go. Focus, focus, guys. Rolling. Action.
Episode 3 Business Partner.
Business partner. If I remember well, there were two scenes happening at the same time there. So there was the scene with Tony and Kareem at Willie's, and then there was a scene with Bull and Maureen in our plaza. I will start with the food scene first with Tony and Kareem. When you look, they were served the food, and we get a nice shot of the plate them. But because we want to hurry up and finish the scene, them couldn't actually start eat the food same time. And because them, I saw it go, because them couldn't start eat the food same time, we had to do high shots. So after that, we couldn't show the plate them again because we show us a time pass and Tony finished eat the food and Kareem asked her, how was the food? And she said it was good. Them time they did not touch the food yet.
How was it?
Good, but I prefer your cooking.
Perfect answer.
And the plate of food there in front of them and the smell of murder them, you know. And Tony and I said, it was delicious, it was nice, but I ate here already. That time food in front of them, and I tell you, every minute Tony and I prep up for my lecture and say, oh no, cut the scene so we can just eat. But there was a moment where we get a chance for cut, make them consume, and we show them at the end of it, we show the plate them and show say the plate them empty. But when they talk about food tastes nice, I know the food not touch. And them. That is part 1. Part 2, the section with Bull and Maureen. We had a run-in with a security in the plaza. We shoot the establishing shot of Bull walking to the car with Maureen. And by the time I'm going to the car, the rest of the scene would have been in the car. So a security see we when we raise the camera and make him walk and him come over to it. When I get permission, so I said permission for shoot in a public space. It's not a professional camera I use. I'm shooting a specific person walking from there so to the car. One boy now want to hear now. Virgin said, no, I forget permission to do it. So I said, we're shooting the scene in the car. So we still have to get permission. So I just stop listening to him. Because they're sitting in the car, me and Whisper stand up outside, but we're hands inside and record them face. One boy realized I was still a do it, call back up. Yo, reach over here so now. Then him security virgin walk come over, yo, what. So me I look at him and say, so supposed to do it, intimidate way. So we continue to do what I do. So them ask for permission. No, them not ask them. Talk to the virgin still at shoot. Still look out. When we finish, we'll go in our vehicle and we'll leave. But Bull never handle it too pleasant. Bull talk to the security one way there where can't really repeat them kind of language here so. But it's just, I mean, we now use a professional camera, so we don't wonder why the virgin just, so hard and fast. So I said, bro, just humble man. We're not disturbing anybody. We're not record who we're not supposed to record. We are standing outside and we are record the people in the car. Just take it easy now, man. But the man are playing Mr. Security. But that was the challenge for that particular scene.